How to add sequential number in Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to add sequential number in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. The first way to insert sequential number in Excel is to write the first number and then drag until need your sequential number. Okay, now right click and here click on fill series. Now you have your sequential number, but this process has a problem. You'll have to drag it until the number you want. What if you need to insert 5000 sequential number? In this way it will be troublesome. But let me show you another way. There is a function in Excel that can give you sequential number. I'm going to write the function here, write equal to and then sequence. And here is the function. It says returns a sequence of numbers. If I double click here, the first parameter is rows. Okay, so how many sequential number you need, you can write that here. I need 150 sequential numbers. Okay, I don't need any column basis, I need it to row basis. I need to go 150 rows down sequentially. Okay, so I'm going to add another comma because that part was optional, and the next parameter is start. It's also optional, but we are going to start from 1. Okay, and now the last parameter, our step value will be 1 also. Now if I close parentheses and press enter, we have sequential number from 1 to 150 in column C. Now as it's a formula, you need to convert it to value. So select the enter column, right click, copy, and then right click, paste as value. Okay, now the formula is now removed and we are left with sequential number. And the final way is to select the cell from where you want to start the sequential number. I'm going to write here 1 because in this system you will have to give a starting number. Now selecting the starting point, click on the home tab. From the field drop down, select series. Here we are going to select columns because we want the number in a single columns. Okay, our start value is given here, our step value is also 1, and our stop value will be 150 because I want the sequential number from 1 to 150. Okay, now if I click OK, we have our sequential number from 1 to 150 in this cell, and here you don't need to change anything. This is your sequential number. So in this way, you can insert sequential number in Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.